All living things share a specific set of characteristics. There are 8 characteristics in total. In order to be considered alive, something must meet all 8 of these qualifications. If you are observing something that does not meet all of these requirements, then it is an inanimate object. The first characteristic is, all living things are made of cells. Cells are the smallest unit capable of sustaining life, and organisms range from unicellular to multicellular. Cells are made up of smaller units, such as atoms, molecules, and compounds that make up the cell's structures. Units smaller than a cell are not considered life. The second characteristic is, all living things contain DNA. DNA is a universal genetic code that organisms store and use to transmit information, to live, grow, and reproduce. This code is a molecule in the shape of a helix that is made of units that contain a nitrogen base, phosphate group, and sugar. The third characteristic is, all living things are capable of reproduction. Organisms pass on genetic information, or DNA, to their offspring. Reproduction can occur sexually or asexually to produce offspring similar to the parent. When organisms reproduce sexually, each parent contributes half of the genetic information, and the offspring is genetically different from both parents. Asexual reproduction results in offspring genetically identical to the single parent. The fourth characteristic is, all living things grow and develop. Organisms grow in size and change in appearance and abilities. Trees can grow from a tiny sapling to a giant redwood. Frogs grow and develop from an egg to tadpole to adult frog. And human babies grow and develop into adulthood. Even single-celled organisms will grow in size and abilities.